Hey, Danny at Dynodaze. Just a quick video. We're going to fit an RDX front splitter to my daily Colt. So I'll take some photographs and stuff. You can see there'll be a link at the bottom to where you can buy one if you want one. See if it's any good. I might not even like it. We'll find out. Cheers. So there she is, she's on. What's everyone think? I think whether I like it or not, it'll probably be off by the end of the week when I hit a speed bump or something, but it's pretty low, to be fair. But there you go, she is on, and we shall see how long it lasts.
Life moves pretty fast.